What's up, everybody? So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to cook popcorn. Alright guys, so follow me to the pantry. Come on. So first, you want to get your popcorn, obviously. We got the Ryan Sway's popcorn because, we're cheap. Alright, so, follow me over here. You can either choose to, take off the plastic and stuff, But the plastic is actually healthier, so throw that bit in there. Boom. Alright, don't. Okay. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm here with
Aiden
and
Alexis.
How y'all been?
Good, pretty good. Yeah, good.
Alright, first question of the day. What's your favorite color?
Red.
Your blood?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just joking.
Green.
Green? Slime? Nah, I'm just joking. Alright, y'all got any questions for each other or anything?
No. Aiden, are you gay? No. Why is that even a question?
Alright, Alexis. I know you haven't seen the diss track, but what'd you think about it?
Jackson, I'm sorry, bro, but yo is done.
Alright, so he actually posted on his Snapchat that he was gonna diss me. So you think it's gonna be fire or trash?
I mean, he already did his beats, and his beats are kind of fire. I'm not even gonna lie.
You think you can roast?
No.
No. Shit, me neither, bro. Alright.
I don't know. I haven't heard either. Okay, brother, just go to your crib. No. Do I look like a baby to you?
A little bit. Hey, we're back. What's up? All right, welcome back to EJLZ. No, I'm just playing. All right, so we're back. Aiden had to get a cup of milk. So.
Oh boy, he needs some milk.
So Aiden, how's that milk?
Pretty good.
All right, you heard it. All right,
it's all vitamin D. All vitamin D.
Vitamin D, you heard him. Wait, is it actually?
Yeah, vitamin D.
Alright, what about you, Alexis? What about you, bro?
I'm not drinking anything.
Well, I know that, but how you been or something like that? I don't know.
I've been Gucci. I think it's Gucci.
Yo, in the future, what do you want to be? And we just take off. It could be anything.
Don't ask me that question. I don't have an answer to that yet.
What about you? Anything?
Pipeline welder.
Alright. Dang, alright. Alright, Aiden, you have any scary stories you want to share with the world?
Scary stories. Oh, I can give y'all like spooky pastas to look up. Totally. We can do spooky pastas, or we can just talk about spooky pastas.
Alright.
I just thought of a video idea.
Alright, you have any scary stories?
Hell no. Yes, I know. I know of a scary story.
Alright, what is it?
It's about
when
one of those was scary.
Nah, I'm gonna blur that out.
Yeah, burn that.
Nah, I'm gonna blur it. Alright, what is it? A scary story.
Bro, shut your. Okay, it's about the black-eyed children.
Oh my god.
And so these children would come up to your door and knock on your door, and it's like a younger kid boy and a little older boy, and they'll knock on your door and ask you for food and warmth, and they have big old jackets on like it's cold. Yeah. And one day someone was sitting in their living room, just chilling, watching some Netflix on their computer.
Alright.
And they started knocking on the door. Actually, it was a dude, but started knocking on his door. And they kept knocking, and eventually they came up to the window.
Alright, Alexis, do you have any questions for us and stuff? Bro, get in the frame.
Right. We gotta get him in there. How have you been? I guess.
I've been good.
Well.
Alright, no, I'm joking.
How y'all been doing? I mean, how Alexis, what have you been doing at home alone?
Yeah, home alone.
Texting to someone.
Ooh, bro, who's a lucky lady?
Shut up, bro.
Alright.
He's been hooking up with people lately. He said he's been
No, I
hooking up
haven't,
with
bro.
people
Shut
lately.
up.
Alright, Aiden, do you have any like questions too?
Aldo.
Yeah.
Did you finish Naruto?
Not yet. I'm like on like the 300th episode. I'm not sure, bro. Like not yet, bro.
300th?
Wait, of Shippuden, right? Shippuden, right?
Put this down, bro. What are you doing?
Of Shippuden, right?
Shippuden? No.
Shonen Jump?
No.
I don't watch. I don't watch anime.
I thought you were gonna some shit.
I'm not with that.
Alright, let's ask honest questions.
Honest and actual serious questions.
Yes, serious questions.
Like, what kind of questions?
Like, who was your first crush?
I don't know. Oh my god. I'm gonna tell y'all. Okay.
Alright, tell the viewers.
When I was younger, when I lived in Henderson, I was like 3, 4, and I had a crush.
You gotta start at a young age, bro.
Yeah, I had a crush on this. I had a crush on this big old girl that actually wore the exact same outfit Dora to school every day.
What about you?
Bro,
I didn't have one.
You haven't had one like just until now?
Yeah.
Alright.
How about you?
Me? Let's see. Shit, I don't know. I mean, I keep that a little personal, but like.
Come on, drink back here.
No, it's not. So like, there was this girl, right? She was.
Hold
What's up, guys? So today, we're gonna be, well, not today, but like, we're gonna be like calling people and just giving them, or no, they're gonna give us questions and we're just gonna answer it.
It's today, Aldo. You said it's not today.
Oh, okay, whatever. All right, go. Hey, but you're gonna answer it too, bro. You're gonna answer it too.
What do we technically call this?
No, okay, so basically, like, hey, can you give us a question? We're doing like a YouTube video or something. Wait, is that Jalen?
This person don't know how to answer the phone apparently. I just put a random
Jaren?
letter.
Alright.
Alright, this
Call Kenyon. Call Kenyon.
Oh, can you? Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
bro. Call him.
Nina. Oh, shit.
Hello? Alright, well, I'm making a YouTube video. Can you ask me a question?
I don't know. What's your favorite color?
Green?
I.
That was a flop. That was a fucking flop.
Alright, well, we already answered that, so.